Hello friends, welcome to the lecture 1 of the series. In this lecture we are going to learn self-introduction. In German it is called Sich, Vorstellen. You might be thinking that why I have not started with the alphabets, because that are the basics of any language. But no, this is more important than that. Because whenever you land in the Germany, first of all you will need this much of sentences to introduce yourself, and that is more important than learning alphabets or any grammar. Just don't go through the grammar of this each and every sentence, because we are going to learn in detail this grammar. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First question that comes is, wie ist Ihr Name? What is your name? Then your answer should be, mein Name ist Disant Patel. Second question, where kommen Sie? Just focus on my pronunciation. Where kommen Sie? Where are you from? Ich komme aus Indien. This is called Indian because for every international word, Germans have their own local words. So this is called Indian and not India. Third question is, wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? In India, where do you live? Then your answer should be, ich wohne in Ahmedabad, or I live in Ahmedabad. Was machen Sie hier? What are you doing here? Then your answer should be, ich lerne hier Deutsch. Fifth question, was sind Sie von Beruf? It is von Beruf and not von Beruf, because in German V is pronounced as F. So it's von Beruf. That means, what is your profession? Then your answer can be different, such as ich bin student, manager, or it can be engineer, etc. Sixth question is, arbeiten Sie? Do you work? Their answer can be in two types. Nein, ich arbeite nicht. No, I don't work. Or if you work somewhere, then you can say, for example, if you work at Google, then you can say, ich arbeite für Google. Then the seventh question is, wie ist Ihr Vorname? As I said earlier, V is pronounced as F, so here it will come, wie ist Ihr Vorname? What is your first name? Then your answer should be, mein Vorname ist Disant, and whatever your first name is. Then, wie ist Ihr Nachname? Or Familienname? The second name. What is your last name? Then your answer should be, mein Name or Nachname ist Patel. In India, what we call as surname. Then ninth question, sind Sie verheiratet? Then again, this is another point to remember, that S, when it comes first, it is pronounced as Z. It's Z. It's not so. So it's sind Sie verheiratet? Verheiratet means, are you married, if someone asks you. Then your answer can be any of this. Another thing to remember here is ja. This is called ja, not ja, because J is also pronounced as ja or Y. Ja, ich bin verheiratet. Yes, I am married. Or your answer can be, nein, ich bin ladies. Just don't focus. So the next question is, was sind Ihre Hobbys? What are your hobbies? Then your answer should be, ich mag, that is, I like. There are some activities which I am mentioning here. Your hobbies might be some different, but try to remember this word at least. Ich mag reisen, that is to travel. Ich mag tanzen, that is to dance. music hören, listening music. I'm repeating, Musik hören. Then the fourth one is cricket spielen. To play cricket or playing cricket is my hobby. Schwimmen, that is to swim. Film sehen, this is sehen, that is watching films. Fußball spielen, that is football, to play football. Next is kochen, that is to cook. And if your hobby is to do programming, then that is called Programmieren. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button and do subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the updates. Also, if you need any modification in this channel, then you can post it in the comment section. I will happy to accept it.